Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. We have also continued to hold above a very significant high at around the $0.0808 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect here on the long-term scenarios is a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I have minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave con 3 to the upside to do. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios and also my next price targets here on the Hbar chart. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where we can see that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, making its high at around the $0.0808 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we started this corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, which has also fully maximized my minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 4, which I was able to come up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, and that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And after fully maximizing it, we started this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that has now given us a peak at around the $0.0993 mark. And after seeing that high, there are chances that we might have peaked in the formation of this wave 5 and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave con 1 to the upside. And the reason as to why I'm saying we might have completed that higher Elliot wave con 1 to the upside, if I sketch out my minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0865 mark, which is a target area we fully maximized, continued breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's, and also fully maximized the fib level 4.618, and that is at around the $0.0977 mark, meaning we did the minimum that I was expecting that wave 5 to the upside to do. And because of that, that gives me two possible scenarios that could be playing out over here on the Hbar chart. And the very first one is that we have finished the formation of this wave 5 and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave con 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave con 2, which we expect after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave con 1, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.0674 mark and the $0.06 mark, and it is within this yellow target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And for that to play out, I need to see a move below the 20-day MA, so we need to lose the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, lose our very significant high at around the $0.08 mark, and once that happens, then we can continue pushing even lower to fully maximize our target area in the formation of these higher Elliot wave con 2, and also expect to see an ABC corrective structure play out, having the wave C fully maximizing our target area in the formation of that higher Elliot wave con 2. And that is the first possible scenario that we can expect over here. And the other possible scenario that we can expect over here is suggesting that we might make one more high in the formation of that larger Elliot wave con count 1. And for that to also happen, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA, continue pushing even higher in a strong move to give us a high above the high that we made at around the $0.0991 mark. And once that happens, then we can name the new high as the high for that with 5 and also the high for that larger area to count 1. And once that happens, then we can sketch out new target areas to the lower side in the formation of these larger area to count 2 using the Fibonacci's. So those are the two possible scenarios that we can expect over here. And for me, I'm in favor of having picked in the formation of that with 1, and I'm expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of that with 2. But in case we continue gearing up, see a massive bounce to give us a high that is above the high for this with 1 at around the $0.0991 mark, then we can term the new high as the high for that with 5 and also the high for that larger area to count 1. Then from there we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger area to count 2. So those are the two possible scenarios, and we need to give them time for them to continue unfolding and also give us confirmations on which area to structure is being obeyed. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 57 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices to give us one more high, and also lower prices to give us the low for this second wave. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross at the moment, but we are yet to see an increase in the buying volume to fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.